Hey everyone, and welcome back to our page. In case you're new here, SOAR Legal Collaborative is an immigrant and workers' rights organization that is based in Atlanta, Georgia. We work within this intersection of immigration and labor law because there is a big need for it, especially in the South. And there isn't always great news, but right now there have been a few developments that we want to share, and we hope that this turns into some really good news for workers and immigrants. We're really going to need your help because we sent this letter to Secretary Walsh asking that he delegate his UT Visa Certification Authority to OSHA, but I think the pressure needs to be felt a little bit more because people are really depending on this and we really want to get this moving. We know that immigrant and migrant workers face an exceptionally high risk of workplace fatalities. 1,072 Latino workers died on the job in 2020. Their job fatality rate is higher than that for all workers. Plus, 65% of Latino workers killed on the job were born outside the United States. Many immigrant workers fear reporting unsafe working conditions to OSHA because they're scared that their employers are going to retaliate against them and cause them to be deported. A proven method of helping migrant and immigrant workers report workplace rights violations is the availability of possible long-term immigration relief in the form of UNT visas. UNT visas are both forms of legal relief. U visas provide legal status to victims of certain crimes who can assist authorities in prosecuting said crime. T visas provide legal status to victims of human trafficking who can assist authorities in prosecuting trafficking crimes. So on June 22, 2022, 27 worker and immigrants' rights organizations sent a letter to U.S. Department of Labor Secretary Marty Walsh and OSHA officials urging Secretary Walsh to delegate OSHA as the UNT Visa Certifying Agency. UNT Visa Certifying Agencies are law enforcement agencies that can verify that an individual is a victim of a crime. They do not actually issue the visas. USCIS is who issues them. However, they sign off on the certifications, and that's still a very big deal. The Secretary of Labor delegated certification authority to the Wage and Hour Division, and in 2011, the Wage and Hour Division started certifying U visas, followed by T visas. However, the Wage and Hour Division only certifies 7 crimes: trafficking, involuntary servitude, forced labor, fraud in foreign labor contracting, peonage, obstruction of justice, and witness tampering. For whatever reason, this certification authority was not delegated to OSHA. We are asking the Secretary of Labor to now act and delegate his authority to OSHA so that it can certify all crimes that occur in the workplace, ranging from sexual assault to sex trafficking to manslaughter to murder. So we are asking Secretary Walsh to please delegate his authority to OSHA so that it can become a UT Visa Certifying Agency, and for OSHA to certify all crimes that occur in a workplace from sexual assault to murder. We also want OSHA to not place any time limitations for when workers can seek certification.